Simms has been around over 30 years. We make very high quality fishing apparel and accessories. Our core product is fishing waders, and we make that right here in this building. It's still quite a handcrafted process in a lot of areas. So we have over 20 people that typically will participate in the production of one wader before it's finished here.
I really like the energy. I really like the people. There's a buzz when you walk in the building. To have 100 people on the floor that are all committed to kind of building this one wader.
I always assumed that manufacturing would be kind of boring and really repetitive, and that is absolutely not the case. I like the speed of manufacturing. That's a personal challenge that I really enjoy.
Innovation is in the water at Simms. There's always something new coming down the line, whether it's a new machine or a new product. And I have gotten to work on a few new items that's been really fun. And I always feel really good when my ideas get used.
I've seen numerous changes during my time here at Simms. There's been new designs, new materials, new processes and machines to help build the waders. Simms has this constant drumbeat of innovation that is really, really special to be a part of.
With the introduction of new technologies, there's always that fear of job safety and that all too common, am I going to get replaced by a robot type of mentality. But what we've seen here with the introduction of new machines, a lot of automation, is two really cool things. One, it's allowed our more skilled, trained workers to focus and dedicate their efforts on the more difficult tasks, or the things that take more training, the more detailed work, the more skillful work. And it's also allowed new operators to the team to be able to jump right in with loading and programming machines to really be part of production without having to spend weeks or even months of training to get production quality ready.
Simms has worked with MMEC over 25 years. We've done over 40 different projects, from training people to facility layout to sustainability and energy projects, of course lean manufacturing, a lot of quality projects, and I think Montana Manufacturing Extension Center is such a benefit to the state of Montana, and they've helped us develop our people, which is great.
I really feel seen and heard as an individual here. We're not all just cogs in a machine. We have rich lives outside of work, and we each bring unique talents and skills to the table.
Even though I'm just sewing, one of the benefits of Simms is that we're all encouraged to be a part of that process. And if we have feedback or ideas, we are encouraged to bring them to the table and come up with a solution that may not otherwise present itself.
It doesn't feel like a job when I show up. I like to tinker and build things, and to kind of blend that, it feels more like a hobby to come in every day.
I think manufacturing is a really great job for people like me who thrive with variety. There's always something different to do, there's always a solution to be found, and there's always something to improve on.
There is such a wealth of knowledge within MMEC that can help manufacturers, large and small, figure out how to do things better, faster, and more efficient, and how to automate. And I think that's really the key to keeping manufacturing here in Montana, as well as the United States. But the MMEC staff has always been incredibly helpful and very responsive to our needs over the 21 years that I've worked with them since being at Simms.
Well, I think manufacturing here in Bozeman obviously creates jobs here in Bozeman. People come work and live and play. But I also think that there's a pride in what we make. It's a lot of fun to be on the water and see a pair of Simms waders or shirt or hat. That makes me feel good.